Hey guys, it's obviously very dark here. It's about I don't know, 4:45 a.m. Eastern time, something like that. Maybe. That's a 1950 Rangeley Lakes guide boat that was built by an old man named John Talbot. I think it was the grandfather to my father's friend, John Talbot. Maybe the father of John Talbot. I don't know. I don't like John Talbot. He's an ornery fuck. Okay? If he hears this, I meant that. But this is I believe a white cedar on white oak, 16-foot overall length. I call it a guide boat. Oh, I gotta find it. Sit down in this bucket here for a minute. Well, it's been up on those old rotten sawhorses and turned upside down for a number of years, but the last work I did on it was I put a new crotch in it, and we put a couple of knees in it, but she's all loose, real loose, you know. It hasn't done it any favors sitting out there. And see, one of those knees is about 1.5 inches bigger than the other one. That knee has been replaced, and that knee has not. The knee has not been replaced because of the rot. The rotten knee and knee. Oi. Alright, so I'm gonna drag this. I'm gonna drag that bumblebee up into its new home, and we're gonna start rebuilding it. How's that sound? Sounds good to me.